Welcome back to Dreccan. In this video I'm gonna show y'all how you can make a heart, and when you press it, it turns red. Then when you press it again, it becomes the normal color. So we're gonna need the heart from the animation video, the last video, or the video before that, whatever it becomes. Then you need a link, you need this span, and you need this style to put in the CSS. So we're gonna start off by making a div, surrounding it around this span, and giving it a class named container. And the container has a width of 100 VW, height 100 dvh, background color light blue, display flex just for center, all that, just to center that. And then heart has an ID of heart, and this giving it a transform scale 3 cursor pointer, so it becomes a pointer when I hover over it, or when I'm, yeah. And then adding this dot color red. So, and then we need a JavaScript file, and in this JavaScript file we need a const, and it's a heart button. I'm giving a heart button, and then document dot get element by ID. This ID here is this ID of this span, and then we also need a let click state equals 0, and then here if click state is bigger or equal to 0 and click state is smaller than 1.1, then heart button.classList.add color, then it will add the color class, this class, color red. Then it will add this behind here. It's just like I add a color like this, but when I press it, the JavaScript will add the color class instead. And then else if click state is bigger than 1, it will remove color. The click state will be returned to 0, and then after here we're gonna add, hold up, we're gonna add click state plus equals 1. So every time I click this, the click state increases by 1. You can add it on top here. So it adds 1 to the click state every click. Now it becomes red. Now it disappears. And if you want to actually see what's happening, you can open it in a browser and then inspect. And here you can see this span class, and after here it should add color. I press this, yeah, it added color, and when I press it again, the color disappeared, because now I can press it infinite amount, because you added this user select. Because if I remove this, I can like select this, and that's super annoying. So you can add user select none to this thingy, so you can't select anything. And that's pretty much it. That's very simple, and I will not go into detail about JavaScript. You can watch tutorials or go to free code camp, or there's plenty of free tutorials and all of that. But this is a simple way making a like button sort of. So when you press it it's red. When you press it again, it turns black. And in a And in another video that comes after this, I will show you how you can add like a like, how many likes it got. So when you press it, it increases by 1, and then when you unpress it, it decreases by 1. But I will show you that in a later video, the video after this. So stay tuned and have a good day, and like and subscribe for more.